Masha and the bear often interact with forest animals like rabbits, wolves, squirrels, and a panda. Taking care of them or helping them in small tasks happens often. Bear is seen doing carpentry or fixing things in his house. Masha sometimes joins in, usually turning it into a messy adventure. One sunny afternoon, Masha decides to gather berries for their forest friends, hoping to bring joy and nourishment. As Masha plays near the stream, she spots a friendly frog and can't resist the urge to splash around, bringing laughter to the serene surroundings. Inspired by her adventures, Masha decides to build a fort for the animals, and the bear lends a helping paw, ensuring everything is safe and sturdy. After a fun day of crafting, Masha invites all the animals to play in her fort, excited to show off her creation and share the fun.